How you going, mate? So today I'm gonna introduce myself in different languages that I know. First one's gonna be Bangla because it's my mother tongue. আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমার নাম তাসলিম মেহেদি, আমার বয়স 25 এবং আমি একজন বাংলাদেশি। And the next one's gonna be Hindi. तो कैसे हैं आप? मेरा नाम तस्लीम मेहदी है, मैं 25 साल का हूँ, मैं एक बांग्लादेशी हूँ। मैंने हिंदी का भी सीखने का कोशिश नहीं किया, इसीलिए मुझे हिंदी पढ़ना और लिखना नहीं आता है, पर बोलना आता है because I've been consuming Hindi content since I was a little kid. And the next one's gonna be English. Hello, my name is Taslim Mehdi and I'm 25. I'm from Bangladesh. I learned English primarily from watching cartoons like Ben 10 and watching YouTubers like PewDiePie and Higa Higa. And the next one's gonna be Japanese. Konnichiwa, watashi wa Taslim Mehdi desu, sumo niju gosai desu, Bangladesh jin desu. Nihongo wa benkyou shite janai desu, anime shika mitemasen deshita. Hi, Nito desu. Kanajo mo inai desu. Kane mo inai desu. And the next one's gonna be Korean. Annyeonghaseyo, Jaden Taslim Mehdi imnida, Sumurdaso sar imnida, Bangladesh saram desu. 한국어를 공부 안 했습니다. 드라마 보면서 이렇게 되었어요. I wanted to let you know if you want to learn any language, the laziest method I use, because I'm the laziest person in my country at least, is watching dramas and TV shows. Yes, you can learn a whole different language by watching dramas and TV shows. If you have any question about anything, just ask me in the comment and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.